Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna replace this ugly old fence screen type thing that covers a pool pump with a new, updated, better design metal privacy screen that then has wood there that I can replace. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of the circle that I created, but as you can see as I zoom past here, basically I just cut into the metal about every 1.25 inches and was able to then bend into that circle. And I didn't even fill the welds. I tacked it so that it would hold in place because I want it to rust and I want it to kind of just get weathered out there. So I put in a tongue and groove wood that you saw, and everything gets screwed in. That way it's easy to replace if there's any problems. The 3-inch post that I'm using will actually get concreted into the ground. So this is the finished product, and then my daughter started working with me here in the shop, so I had her do the parts that I don't like doing, which is staining. And I had thought originally that I would go ahead and stain different colors and kind of do a yellow sun, and then when I saw the stain, I go, oh, you know what? Let's just keep this kind of a plain, simple color. So, you know, it's one of those things, it's going to be outside, it's going to get weathered, I want it to rust, and this is the finished product. This is it mounted in front of the pool pump. And I'll probably put a side on it at some point, but that just hasn't happened yet. I know this is a short video, but it was a quick project. In any case, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this project. I have some bigger build videos coming up in the very near future. See you in the next video.